You're welcome to Kismas with Mr. Osita. In this video, we'll be talking about division of decimal numbers by multiples of 100 up to 900. Before we forge ahead, what do we mean by division? It's the mathematical operation of sharing numbers into two or more equal parts. Now we have an example on the board. Remember, we say division means to split or share numbers into two or more equal parts. We have 603.6 divided by 600. Now, what we're going to do, we have a method we use to solve this. Now, the method we use is to expand the divisor. Now, when we expand the divisor, it will be easier for us to divide these big numbers with a bigger divisor. Now, what do I mean? Now, expanding this number will now find a number that two numbers you will multiply to give you 600, the multiples of 100. So we'll say 6 times 100 will give us 600. So divide by 6 times 100, which will give us 600. We have expanded. So we have this as 603.6. Now we are using this number will be divided by 6 first before we divide by 100. Now we use long method division to divide. So we have 603.6 as the dividend and 6 as the divisor. We have our direction DMSBR. DMSBR. Now in solving for this, we say 60 divided by 6. 60 divided by 6 will give you 10. You write 10, you've divided. Next in line is multiplication. Then 10 times 6, 10 times 6 will give us 60. Now we've multiplied. You cancel the multiplication. The next in line is subtraction. We've put our subtraction sign. So we have 0 minus 0 is 0, 6 minus 6 is 0. We've subtracted. Now the next one to do is to bring down. Now we'll bring down 3. We've brought down 3. You cancel the one you brought down. Then the next one is repeat the process. The repeating the process is writing it again, DMSBR. Alright, now we have 3 divided by 6 will give us 0. Then we have divided. The next in line is multiplication. So we say 0 times 6 will give us 0. We've multiplied. The next in line is subtraction. You put your subtraction sign here. And you say 3 minus 0 will give you 3. You've subtracted. The next in line is to bring down. When you bring down your 6. You've brought down. Then the next one is repeat the process. You write the DMSBR. But before that, there is a point here. Before we get after 3, dividing 3, there is a point here. You put your point. Please do not forget. Then we'll now have to divide 36 divided by 6. So 36 divided by 6 will now give us 6. You've divided. Then 6 times 6 will give us what? 36. 36. You've multiplied. So the next in line is subtraction. Minus. You subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. You've subtracted. The next in line is bring down. There is nothing to bring down, and there is no repeat the process. You just cancel. So our 603.6 divided by 6 will give us 100.6. So we have 100.6. Remember that we've not divided 100. So you say divided by 100. So we have the points here. So remember that when you are dividing by 10, 100, 1000, that the points move to the left. So we have divide by 100, the point moves one side to the left, cancel 0, it moves another side to the left. Therefore, our final answer will now be 1.006. This becomes our final answer. Alright, we'll look at the evaluation questions. We say, divide this 410.2 divided by 200. And the second one is 425.4 divided by 100. Now, in doing this, you expand this one. What are the numbers to multiply to get 200? The multiples of 100. You say 2 times 100 will give you 200 when you expand and you divide. This one, there is no need to expand because it's already 100. When you divide it, the points move to the 2 places to the left-hand side. Then you get your answer. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or share the video.